Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, we are learning that second unit, means that second lesson Windows 8. So in this Windows 8, we learned about what is an operating system, what are the basics of an operating system, functions of an operating system, and we learned history. Operating system means what we are using now, which operating systems, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 now we are using, no. So how that Windows were launched, and how that versions were updated, version wise, that all we learned. And now today we are nowadays we are using Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay, most of the people are using Windows 8 and Windows 10 nowadays. Okay, and Windows 8, how it will work, what are the features of Windows 8, how the starting screen it will display, and what are the live tiles, hot corners, charms bar, online features, sign in with Microsoft account. These all we learned in last class, children. And social networking features, up to here we learned it last class. Now some other Windows features, Windows 8 features, now we are going to learn. Okay, simplified desktop for increased speed. Microsoft has not removed the desktop, and you can still use it to manage your files or open many of your existing programs, but it has deleted some of the transparency effects. These effects had made Windows a little bit slow. The new desktop should run more smoothly on most computers. Microsoft has not removed the desktop, and you can still use it in manage your files or open many of your existing programs. In Windows 8, the desktop was not removed, children. It is there, but it is internally it is adjusted. Okay, by using from there, we can run the all our files and programs we can access. Okay, but some files are deleted, because of it makes these effects makes our Windows slow. That's why some transparency files are deleted, but this desktop was not removed. Okay, in Windows 8, in window up to Windows 7 there is desktop, we all of you know. But Windows 8, if you click, when you see the starting screen, there is no desktop. So as usual, okay, normal old version desktop was not displayed. We all are thinking it was removed, but it has not removed, children. It is internally is there. Okay, by if you clicking one option I explained, some desktop option, if you click that, our desktop will open. Okay, and in Windows 8, if you are using the desktop, will run very smoothly. Next, see, start menu has been replaced. Okay, if you see in Windows 8, there is no start menu, but it is having start screen. Okay, actually we are having start menu. No, if you click on start button, the start menu will appear. But if you observe in Windows 8, we will see direct start screen, no start menu. Okay, so how we will start? See, start menu has been replaced. The start menu was an important feature in earlier versions of Windows, but it has been replaced with the start screen. You will use the start screen to open programs or search your computer. How we are using start button. If you click on start button, start menu will open. There are all programs we can see, no, which are in our computer. Like that, here start menu was removed with, and it, in that place they replaces start screen. If you click on start screen, there also we can find out our programs which are in our computer. Okay, next, the next feature is improved security. Improved security. An antivirus package, Windows Defender, has been integrated in Windows 8. It removes all types of malware and spyware. The built-in Windows Store also helps to keep you and your computer safe by showing you what information each app will have access to. For example, some apps have access your location. So if you are comfortable sharing your location, you can decide not to download those apps. Children, if you see in older versions of Windows, we have to install this antivirus software specially. But here in this Windows 8, there is internally one one special package was launched, antivirus package, that is a Windows Defender. By using this Windows Defender, these Windows Defender automatically it removes all types of malware, spyware which are downloading in our computer. Those all it will reject that spyware and malware. For example, if you some apps are having your location, that will that is uncomfortable for our computer or our phone, for our computer or our phones, then it will show an message, this was not and it will harm your computer, like that some alert message it will shows. Okay children, so there is an extra feature, special feature, already built in antivirus package is there in Windows 8, that is Windows Defender. Okay children, the built-in Windows Store also helps. Here how in our mobiles Google Play Store is there, like that here Windows Store, like one app is there, that app is also very useful to us to show the all apps information and to access very easily in access very easily our laptops or computers if you install this Windows 8. Okay, next these are the Windows 8 features children, but Windows 8 feature was little bit confused for the users. So after so many users are complained, then they changed, they updated Windows 8 to Windows 8.1, updating little bit of changes. Okay, what are those? Now we will see. When Windows 8 was released in 2012, many users complained that it was difficult and confusing to use, especially compared to older versions of Windows. Okay, Windows 8.1 is an update for Windows 8 that includes a number of improvements and features to address some of these issues. Below are some of the most helpful and notable features. So children, I said no, this was little bit confused for the users, so they complained to the Microsoft company, then they updated their Windows 8 to Windows 8.1 for adding some little changes and updated some features. What are those? Start button. I said no, in Windows 8 actually there is no start button, but we all are habituated this start button only. Whenever we are opening computer, first we click on start button. We all are habituated it's start button, but in Windows 8 there is no start button, that is start screen is there directly, so they get confused, the users. So they launched in 8.1 start button again, but in Windows 8 no start button. In Windows 8.1 they added start button. See, Windows 8 removed the start button from the desktop. The start button from the desktop. Many users complained about the missing start button. So Windows 8.1 adds it back to the desktop. There is clicking the start button on the desktop will launch the start screen, which you will use to open programs and search for files. So what I said no, in Windows 8 start button was removed, but in Windows 8.1 they all again adds the start button. Okay, as usual, how we will click on start button and how we will access our files and programs, we will do like that. Next, boot to desktop. When you boot up your machine, you need not launch the screen of start. In Windows 8.1, you can boot directly to the desktop. This facility was available in earlier Windows versions too. This is especially helpful if you are not interested in using the start screen. Children, when you are newly starting your computer, the system must be boot up. Then only the system boot up their settings again. Then only we can work with computer. So in this Windows 8.1, whenever you boot up this computer, the screen will restart again itself in Windows 8.1. Okay, but in older version, when you are doing any boot up procedure, then we have to restart our computer again, then only it will activate. But in Windows 8.1 directly we can do by using desktop and no need to restart our computer. Okay, next, snap start screen apps. What is this one? Windows 8 introduced full screen apps for the start screen, but it did not allow you to view more than 2 apps at once. Windows 8.1 allows you to view several different start screen apps and snap them to different parts of the screen. All those apps which worked in the earlier versions of Windows work well in Windows 8.1 too. Their windows can be resized and moved. Children, I said in Windows 8 there are so many apps are working. Is it right? There are so many apps are working. So, what are full screen apps means, children? If you open this app, that app will occupy full screen and it will shows the that app screen occupies full screen. Okay, but in Windows 8.1 we can open 2 apps at a time by using snap start screen apps feature. There is a snap start screen apps feature. By using this this feature, we can use 2 apps at a time and we can work. Okay, Windows 8.1 allows you to view several different start screen apps and snap them on different parts. So in Windows 8.1 we can use several start screen apps and we can snap them into small windows, and we can keep in anywhere on the desktop on our screen by using this Windows 8.1 operating system. Okay, so these are about the special features of the snap start screen apps. So children, this is explanation of this Windows 8.1. Once you revise this lesson again, then you can understand better. Okay, now see children, answer time. Okay, here multiple choice answers are given. For the first one, it involves putting the tasks into order and pairing them into manageable size before they go to the CPU. The answer is processor management. Okay, answer is processor management. The second blank, Windows 7 was launched in 2009. The third one, this offers you to see information without even clicking on the app, live tiles. Next, this feature helps you connect your Facebook, Twitter and Flickr accounts to Windows 8. Answer is social networking features. Next, see right, true or false. It is possible to interact with hardware without an operating system. False. Device management coordinates data to and from RAM, random access memory, and determines the necessity for virtual memory. False. Error handling is done by the operating system. True. In Windows 8, you can personalize your start screen by changing the color schemes, choosing a background image and rearranging your tiles. True. Next, many of computer settings in Windows 8 are found in a toolbar called the hot corners. True. Next, see question and answers. What are the tasks of an operating system? For first question answer, children, see page number 19. Page number 19. Here basics of an operating system is there, no? Basics of an operating. From here onwards to this full 4 points. User interface, which allows you to communicate with your computer up to there. Next, what is the second question? State the functions of an operating system. State the functions of an operating system. Second question answer, children. Same 19th page. Down if you see, the functions of an operating system are from here onwards to, see page number 20. Here is there, no? The operating system also does error handling operations if error takes steps to avoid errors up to here. Next, how is hot corners different from charms bar? Third question answer, children. See page number 21. Hot corners is there, no? From here onwards to charms, hot corners full you have to write charms bar up to bottom right corner of the screen up to here. Third question answer. Okay. Next, see fourth question. What do you understand by cloud? For this one, see page number 21. Down of this picture is there. No, many people are starting save their fields and other information online, also known as the cloud. From here onwards to that full paragraph. That is fourth question answer. Next, what are the notable features of Windows 8.1? What are the notable features of Windows 8.1? For this one, children, see page number 23. Here is there, no, updating Windows 8 to 8.1. In that paragraph, fourth line you see, Windows 8.1 is an update for Windows 8 that includes a number of improvements and features. From here onwards to, you should write full up to here, but in each here 3 points I am marking. From here onwards to here you write. After that, in this fifth question, A point, from start button to here you see Windows 8.1 adds it's back to the desktop up to here. This is A point, fifth question A point, and fifth question B point, boot to desktop to, can boot directly to the desktop. This is fifth question B point, and snap start screen apps from C point. From here onwards to, if you see different parts on the screen, is there, no, different parts on the screen, you are not seeing, okay. Here see snap start screen apps from here onwards to here, children. 1 2 3, third line snap them to different parts of the screen. Up to here you write, okay. So this is the fifth question answer. From here onwards to here, next A point, next B point, next C point, okay. This is the fifth question answer. This is about the question and answers. Next, hearts, if you see, how is jump list different from Aeropeak? In which version of Windows can you find it? Miss children, jump list is nothing but of what we are using, more apps, more programs that frequently we are using. We can pin that programs to our menu bar, start menu. That is called jump list, and Aeropeak is just like that same feature. I will send for this I will send answer for this question in school app, okay. And next, activity time, make a diagram of depicting the importance of operating system. One example as given below. We should draw a picture what are the uses of operating system by your own, okay. Means here processing management, we can add a box. Here we can add another some management, and here we add another function. So many uses are there, no. For example, if you see in page number, processor management, memory management, device management, storage management, you can draw like this, same you like draw, and here you write data processor management, memory management, device management, and what is next one, storage management. You draw like this picture, same picture you draw, but here you draw 4 boxes extra and you add this one to this one, okay. And this lab work also, these questions answers also I will send in school app later, okay. I think you search these questions answers in Google search in your mobile. All questions answers you will get. First you try for writing by your own. If you will not get, then I will send for this question and answers. For these questions answers, okay. You try first by your own to search these all questions answers in Google search, you will get, okay. Next, discussion time, you will see, name an organization where you can donate your computer that you no longer need. It may be immense help to people who cannot afford to buy one. There are some organizations are there which we are not using computers, we should not throw out. Those we can donate some organizations. Those organizations can do some repair work, and they can take some parts of that computers, and they done with another computers or laptops, and they will donate some needy people who are poor people. So where we can donate our computers, those some organizations are World Computer Exchange, Games for Heroes, Donation Town, like that some organizations are there in websites. We can donate our computers to these organization people. Okay children, so this is about the notes. How we will write notes, I will explain once. Put the heading, after write this multiple choice, true or false, question and answers. And this also you can search, you search in Google search, and you write answer for this question by your own. If you not get, then you will inform me, I will send answer. Okay, after that this I said no, you draw same picture, you all of you write all these hearts also, you write activity time also, you write. How you have to write this question and draw this picture, and here you have to process management, device management, storage management, memory management, you add these 4 boxes extra. And for these questions also you search answers in Google search in your mobiles, you will get answers for these all questions. Write any 4 or 5 lines answer for these questions, it's enough, no need to by heart, just you have to know the extra information of this 8.1 Windows 8.1, that's why they give. Just you search by your own, then you will get more knowledge than I am searching and sending. That is not for that process you are not getting more information. You search by your own, then you get more knowledge. Okay, so you search by your own, this one and hearts. Okay, next discussion time also you write this question and you write these answers. Okay, so this is about the notes children. Your homework is revise full lesson one time and complete notes as early as possible, because of end of this month you all of you bring your computer notes for correction. Sister, we will announce in school app when you should bring your notes for correction. Okay, okay children, I am closing this class, we'll meet in next class. Till then, take care, bye bye.